You are just in time for the hatch chili cheese dogs. Let's get going. First, we're going to take our roasted hatch chili. We're going to go ahead and cut it up into small little cubes. We're going to throw that onto the pan. Next, we're going to go ahead and get our bacon ready and also get our hot dogs ready. These are all beef hot dogs. Once we have these all ready, we're going to start to wrap these up real tightly, real nicely. Once we've got these fully wrapped up, we're going to throw them right on the pan and get them started cooking. We want to get these things cooked up so the bacon gets nice and crispy. And as you're waiting, you might as well go ahead and have a beer. Let's get these things a little flip. Oh yeah, bacon's crisping up real nicely. Continue to give them some turns, really crisp that bacon up. Get everything nice and hot. Let's go ahead and add that cheese now. Get it all over and nice and melted. And as that melts, we're going to start prepping our buns. Put the hatch chilies on them. We're going to start putting our hot dogs in our buns. And it is that simple. Hatch chili cheese dogs.